Hello children, today in English General we are going to learn something new. You all are excited? Now previously we had learnt about common nouns. Today a new topic, that is proper noun. Now tell me, what is proper noun? Now I give you an example. If I want to call any of you, what would I do? I will just call your name. So your names are very special. Your parents' name, your grandparents' name, they are all special names. So we can say that special names are called proper noun. Now let us see what are proper nouns and what are special names also. Now you know nouns can also be special names, that I told you. Now special names not only of people but of places, even things are also having special name. For example, if I say ice cream, it is common, but I say Vadilal ice cream, then it is special because it is the name of the company which is producing ice cream. So Vadilal ice cream becomes a special name. So it becomes a proper noun. Now special names of people, places or things are called proper nouns. And children, always proper noun begins with a capital letter. You can't write a proper noun in a small letter. You usually have to write with a capital letter only. Now let us see some example. Example, Ayush, it is name of a boy. The boy whose name is Ayush, his name is very special. Reena, it is the name of a girl. She is special. Now, Hebron School, our educational institution. There are many schools. People ask you, which school do you go? That time you have to tell the name. You tell also that I go to Hebron School. So, the name of our school becomes special. Ahmedabad, the city. There are many cities, but Ahmedabad is a special name. So, it is a proper noun. India, our country. There are many different countries. But India, when you tell India, then it becomes a proper noun. Noun. Not only this, rather than this, there are many other proper noun also. Come on, let us see which are they. Names of people that we have already seen. Example, Rohit, Sarika, Sonam, Pratham. Other than that, names of villages, towns, cities, states, countries and even continents also. There are many countries, many villages, many towns, many states, but when you have to go, when you have to approach, then you have to tell the name. For example, Chennai, you know, America, it is a country, Asia, Canada, they are all special. And see properly, every alphabet, the first alphabet is written in the capital letter only. Now, after that, names of mountains, rivers, lakes and even seas, they are also special. If you tell sea, they will ask which sea. That time you have to tell the name also. So that name itself becomes special and it becomes a proper noun. Let us see some example. Mount Everest, Ganga, Arabian Sea. Mount Everest, it is the tallest mountain. So it is name of a mountain. Ganga, it is the holy river of India. It is the name of a river. Arabian Sea, it is name of a sea. See, these all are called proper nouns. Children, now names of the days of the week, months, festivals and special days. They are also proper noun. Let us see some example. For example, Sunday. It is days of a week, special day when you have holiday. Everyone likes to have fun on Sunday. March, it is the name of a month. Diwali, it is the festival of lights, a special name. So it is also called a proper noun. Then Republic Day, Independence Day, they are also special days. So they are also proper noun. Now names of subjects, books, newspapers and magazines. Subject, the subject you study. For example, English text, maths, environment, computer. They are all called proper noun. Books, different type of books. You can say holy book or magazines, newspapers. For example, English, it is a subject you have been taught at school. Ramayana, it is the holy book of the Hindus. The Times of India, the famous newspaper, have you seen its title? It is always written in capital letter only because it is a proper noun. Then Twinkle, it is a cute magazine. Children love to read. So, it is also called proper noun. Now, children, above all, now we are going to do a exercise. So, you have to answer me. I will ask you and you are going to answer. What is the exercise? Underline the proper noun in the following sentences. Now, here I have written certain sentences. You have to tell me which is the proper noun and I am going to underline it. The first one, John lives in Mumbai. Now, tell me, who are proper noun here? Yes, John. Now, tell me, only John is the proper noun? No, Mumbai, it is name of a city. So, it is also a proper noun. So, we are going to underline it also. Now, the second sentence. February is the shortest month of the year. It is February. It is the name of the month. So, it is a proper noun. Now, should I underline it? Yes, I have to underline it. Now, any other proper noun is there? No. Now, we will go for the third one. Diwali is a festival of lights. We have already seen in the example also. So, you now know that Diwali is a proper noun and we are going to underline it. Other word is there which is a proper noun? No. Now, come on. The fourth one. Deepak is playing in the garden. Now, is Deepak a proper noun? Yes, it is a name of a boy, a special name given to a child. So, we are going to underline it. Now, tell me children, can we underline garden? Because you know that it is a noun, because it is a place where you play. But is it a proper noun over here? No, no name is mentioned. It can be any garden, so it becomes common. So, we are not going to underline because we are only underlining proper noun over here. Now, number 5th. Mr. Shah is going to Delhi. Mr. Shah is the name of a person. Yes, so it is a proper noun and I am going to underline it. Now, children, now let we go for the 6th one. No, yes, one more word is left, that is Delhi. It is name of a city, the capital of our country, India. So, Delhi, we have to underline it also. Now, the 6th one, Sunday is a holiday, you all know, and you know that it is a special day of the week and it have to underline it because it is a proper noun. Now, number 7, my grandparents live in Pune. Now, tell me, should I underline grandparents? No. Why? Because it is a common noun. No name is mentioned of the grandparents. But should I underline Pune? Yes, it is name of a city. So, it is a proper noun and we are underlining it. The next one, number 8. Ajay and Vijay are brothers. There are two brothers whose name is Ajay and Vijay. So, itself becomes a proper noun and we are underlining it. Now, children, number 9. Hital is eating an ice cream. Hital, it is name of a girl. Is it a proper noun? Yes, children. So, I am going to underline it. Now, should I underline ice cream? No. No name is mentioned that it can be any company's ice cream. It can be Vadilal, it can be Havmor, it can be Amul. But name is not mentioned. So, it is not a proper noun and we are not going to underline it. Now, the 10th one. Friday comes after Thursday. Yes, they are name of days of the week. And we have Friday as one of the day of the week and another word Thursday as other day of the week. Children, I hope you all have understand what is proper noun and you have to note down this exercise in your English General Notebook, that is your book number 2. Thank you, children.